finish. Perfect.
Catch your breath first, Bob. We got 20 seconds. Sounds like you ran up.
If we're a minute or two late, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. The nice thing is we're going to be able to hop on tonight, and we're not going to have to go testing, or can you guys hear me?
Right.
Oh my God. Oh. Doo-doom.
Oh, yeah.
That just doesn't sound right, John.
I'm thinking about taking an MCL short right now. That would give me $150 on one MCL.
And we're live. Hello, everybody.
There you go.
We're live.
All right, let's get that off.
Hey, Leo, Brian, George, Kazi, Pete, Missile, my people. What's up?
All right.
Dude, Missile gets the freaking gold star of the day. I'll go ahead and make sure that happens.
Trying to get everybody's screens on. Okay,
This
John,
is
you're
ripping
live.
right back up here.
The only one that's not live is Jesse.
Yeah, I'll get to it in just a second. I'm in a trade here.
John, I'm going to switch to yours while I go through the startup process in mine.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Neil. Hey, Mike.
What's
Good to
up,
see you
guys? All right. Let me pop over so you can see. I got to resize a couple charts real quick for us.
Come on, baby, work. Yep, there we go.
All right. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's see. Resizing some charts. All right, MFF. We're there. So we've got M. Yep, we're in the right spot. Do I need to go CL over here? All right, I'm just getting charts working. So yeah, Jesse, what I was showing on, I don't know if you're watching the stream here, but here you go. CL just ripped straight up off the open.
Wow.
You would have to think at some point you'll at least come back and try to retest the open. At least try to. But I don't know. I haven't seen the news. Is something happening in the news is the bigger freaking question.
Let me go check out Financial Juice because that's a pretty big rip for oil.
Yeah, I mean, it's $1.50 plus in oil. I mean, it's a huge rip in oil. And I'm looking at it in Algobox charts just in case you're wondering as well. That's a massive move, and I want to see what old Algobox has to say about this. I mean, we are in the ideal entry zone, so for a long, I'm not exactly keen on taking a long back to 78. I mean, it would have to be going back towards 78.50. Because in oil, you kind of work it in 50-cent increments, right? We're back at 78. What is... And then let's look back at the NQ real fast. So Enigma short got whacked. This is on the 2s, guys. So let me make sure I'm running 3 days of data. That's a good call out for everybody else in the room as well. Make sure you're on 3 days. So we've had 2 Enigma, level 2 Enigmas tonight. 3.
Okay, got a bright red fib dot on the 6s.
All right.
And it ripped right through it. Jeez Louise. So just so everybody knows, I'm kind of trying to nurse myself out of a short that I've been stuck in. My channels were all red. Got a fib dot on the 9s, took it, and I'm taking heat. Not looking good. Not looking good. Channels have since flipped to green on the 3s. I probably should have killed the trade right when that happened.
Still just hanging out in this J hook on the 3s.
Yeah, that's the other thing I saw too. I was targeting target 1 on that J hook, but we never really even tried to go down there. Yeah. I've got my stop sitting on the stop out for the J hook, and that's a pretty big stop out. 132 ticks.
Ouch.
From where I got in. Of course, I was in the trade before the J hook hit, so.
All right, so first white cross, that's a super cross there. The red double delta on the 3s. Oh, I got an AO on the 2s.
Oh, we're in a shark. Yeah, it blew. Yep, man. Oh man, I just can't get.
I can't catch a break.
Me neither.
That was bad. That was bad. I got slipped so bad on that entry. It was not even funny on that.
Did you?
Oh yeah, I am in trouble. That's a straight leg up. I need that is
Oh, I got so slipped on that son of a bitch.
Yeah, so guys, be really careful. I just noticed the spread is
It's like $1.50.
yeah, it's 6-7 ticks. It's big. I just noticed it.
Okay.
Okay, get up there. Get my target, baby. Oh, come on, don't come back. Oh boy.
I'm
Should have
closing
taken
that
my
out at 100 and
Come on, get up there. You know you wanna.
that was ugly. That's no fair. No fun.
To everyone in the chat, I promise you I will circle back and read up and respond, but my
I'm
eyes
looking
are
through the
glued
chat right now.
My eyes are glued to the trade I'm in right here.
Daniel
so.
D, yeah, Leo. Has our MACV switched at all? And as far as what do you mean?
The MACVU might be down. It sometimes is nobody really. I don't think they keep an eye on it.
No, MACVU is still stuck on Friday afternoon, so ignore the MACVU. Andrew, what's up? Yeah, so the MACVU is still showing from Friday afternoon.
But I've got the MACVs open for the ES and the NQ, and they're both green, if that means anything to anybody. So that's half of the nerd.
Yeah.
I'm going
Yeah,
silent.
so that's still there.
Ankle biters are
Gio, what's up, buddy? All good. Good evening, Gio. Good evening, Andrew. All right.
All right, let's push up here. Come on. Yeah, I got slipped pretty bad too. I'm just noticing it.
Yeah, it got me good. It's the way it goes. I didn't pay attention, and let's see. Let me get over to live chat so I can actually see all of the chat because I'm missing some of it. The updated ranges, Leo, will come out typically later in the evening. And sometimes it's even you wake up to them tomorrow morning. I don't know if that's a scheduled process or if that's a manual process for Vinny. Thanks, Vinny. Good to see you. Actually, shoot. I need to log into Discord. I've been completely away from Discord since last night. Ooh.
Come on, get up there. Let's go. There we go. Let's rip.
Green dot.
Yeah. Green dot on the 9s. Come on, push. Push through that high. This time I'm not gonna, if we get up there, I'm not gonna be as greedy as I was on the last time we spiked up.
It's like I've said as well, guys, I am also taking a look at crude tonight as well. So I've got these charts open down below. So we'll be taking a look at crude. Crude, obviously, tonight on the open, it's up $1.75 a barrel. So the next thing is, what's the news that's driving that
Yeah, that's a pretty big move for oil.
on a Sunday night, just randomly? I don't think there was any OPEC meetings this weekend, but there could have been. But there could have been something coming out of BRICS, right? So who knows? No, OPEC monthly report, January 15th. So that's still yet to come out. Forex Factory. Unless it's driven by the dollar. What's DXY doing?
All right, so NQ just kind of ranging back and forth here at the, up here near the highs.
Let me pop this to Trading View.
Hey, BK. Hey, Superman. What's up, Andrew? Neil. Good to see you guys. Geo, hey. Oh, come on. Get up there.
All right, let's look at CL.
I got another. What is that?
All right, DXY, and that's the instrument I was looking for. US dollar index. So the dollar is going back up tonight. For now, we'll see how that performs over the evening. Obviously, that'll have an impact. U.S. sanctions on Russia. Is that what's going on? I didn't see it. I haven't, like I said, I haven't walked. Thanks, Rocket. I haven't looked at news at all. So crude opens with everything else in the futures market. The actual pit opening is 9 a.m. in the morning. So you have 9 a.m. for crude. 8:20 is the open for gold. If anybody's interested in that.
BK, what are your settings on the timing lines? So you're looking at John's chart.
You're looking at my charts. So,
yeah, so if you're
timing
asking
lines,
about his, yeah, let him.
uh,
There you go, John.
so all you have to do is click on one of the timing lines, and you can edit price levels. So I'm not showing the small and medium timing at all. You add the 350% level, and add the color. You make
All
sure
right.
that small and, or excuse me, king and large are enabled. Click OK for that, and then price opacity level at 20.
Yeah, and then save as default.
Yeah, and then you have to save it as default. So you would click save and then default.
Yeah.
You can just click save as default there.
Yeah.
And then when you do that, then you have to reapply. So you just reload Ninja Script and it'll reload it on your chart, and then you'll have all of your timing lines drawn out. Dork, what's up, buddy? I'm just over here trying to figure out where ooh, double dot on the Mac V.
Yeah, that's a blue one too. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's run the high. Push up through it.
Go give Jesse his money.
Yeah, I got chopped up here a little bit before we started the stream, so got to get my money back.
Yeah, still a 6-tick spread.
Yeah. Which is kind of odd. Haven't seen that in a while.
I'm interested if it's the same way across. I have to find a different chart. Ooh. Same way across all instruments, or if it's just the NQ that's messing around. So ES is standard, 1 tick. What is RTY? RTY is a 3 to 4 tick spread, which is a little bit higher than normal. Why am I so tempted to go short here?
Sellers just do not want to let this
Because
price area
Apex is at
go.
37% long.
Oh, are they? I'm seeing 48%, 47%. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the wrong thing. 37, 35. Sorry, Bob. I was scrolled down watching my drawdown on my Apex accounts.
See what the YM also has right now. Well, if I try to select that contract, that's not going to do me much good. Rollover. Why did it not roll those instruments over?
Thank you, Dork. Yeah, everybody hit the like button.
There we go. All right, so this should now give me YM. Yeah, and the YM is a small spread, but it's not, obviously it's the Dow. It's not going to move a ton at night. It has. Holy cow. I say that, an open mouth insert foot moment for John. It's kind of ranged both ways as well. Just consolidating near these highs, Jesse.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a look out, see if I can find anything. Gives me an idea.
Hey, Chris. Good to see you.
Okay, so channels are green. We're operating off of a
Blue fib dot on the
blue
nines.
fib dot on the nines.
However, we got double red arrows on the MACV histogram. Outside the fiddle zone, too.
So you're saying you can't see that crab. So if I get an order flow event, let me get over on the threes so everybody can see what's happening here. What do we have? Yeah, I don't have that crab yet. It's not calculated on here. Let's see. Dollar's still going up. We're not in that. It's kind of stuck.
Kazi, do you have any kind of Tradeovate or an Apex Tradeovate account? If you do, then you can just sign into trader.tradeovate.com and then click the plus sign, use your Apex Tradeovate credentials to sign in, and then click on Access Simulation, and then hit the plus sign in the top left corner.
I'm showing it right now.
And you can drag and drop the pulse. They call it pulse.
So I'll close this out just so you can see me actually at it. You just click up here, then you go to pulse, and then you just kind of drag it where you want it. Hopefully that helps.
And now, so that only shows you the pulse of the
Apex
the
only.
prop firm that you're logged into. So if you've got Tradeify or TickTick or any other Tradeivate prop firm, you sign in with their credentials to see their gauges, their pulse gauges. It's specific to their sim traders. Come on, rip up there. Let's
If
go.
you have a
let's
Ninja
go.
Trader account, you can also see what the cash market looks like as well.
Let's
so you
go.
know.
Delta buy building. All right, I like to hear that. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. I got my target at 40.
So kind of front running that on the 6s.
Well, there was a PRZ forming on the 9s, but it went away, so I was targeting that. So I should probably actually just kill this. I'm getting nervous. I'm up 220 on it.
Well, that's good.
220.
There you go,
Wow.
Jesse.
It just dropped a bar. Hold on. Get back up there, damn it. Let's go. Get up there.
John, 47% long on Apex.
Can't do it to my buddy Jesse James.
Uh,
I want to. I
Damn
won't
things.
lie. I want to.
Come on, one more push. Even a little one. Give me 3 bars on the 3s and I'm closing it. She wants to drop again.
Jesse looking video.
What's hold on. I'm not saying anything. Oh, got the red double delta on the 6s and she drops out when I was looking elsewhere. Damn it. Oh,
Sorry, buddy.
I was being greedy. I should have closed it up at the high. That's okay. Let's go.
Just remember, it was 47% long on
I know.
Apex.
I know. Can't ignore the gauges.
I just got a shark on the 9s.
Yeah, so did I.
I just didn't have an order flow event or anything there with it.
I got a shark on the 38 range. Did we optimize yet?
Vinny said they'd be coming out shortly.
Okay.
I'm hopping over into the Discord now. As soon as they come out, as soon as I see them, I will toss them into the...
That would be awesome. Thank you.
Sweet. Hey, Obi, welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Oh, I missed Jeet. Jeet joined up earlier. Yes, we saw the lawsuit. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy.
I actually went and watched Kelly. I went and checked out Kellyanne's YouTube stream for the first time.
She kind of showed that. I don't think she put it on YouTube, but she had on her website briefly the that leaked video.
Oof.
Yeah, it's a bummer. I mean, it's kind of just a small clip taken out of context, so who knows?
Who knows?
You take it all with a grain of salt. They got a business to run. They got to make money, so I don't care. I don't really buy into all that stuff.
Just not good for
Publicity.
I mean, they say, you know, what's the old term around marketing? There's no such thing as bad publicity, but
yeah, I think it depends on what business you're in.
When you're talking about money,
yeah, you're talking about people's money. Yeah,
kind of takes stuff away. Let's see what we've got here. Direct messages.
All right. What I can tell you we got is 43 people in the room. We got 22 likes and we have 588 subscribers. If you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Tell all your friends and family about us. We would certainly appreciate it. And back to our regularly scheduled program.
Jeez, this is just wanting to drop out, isn't it? I really should have taken my money up there.
ETF is 70% long, 73% long on the NASDAQ. Apex is 25% long on the NASDAQ.
So the ETF traders are just getting absolutely wrecked.
Yeah, they're getting wrecked.
Oh,
This is coming back down to 21,000.
you think? Yeah.
Now we got a green dot
I
on
don't
already
disagree.
up on the threes, but 6% long on Apex now. So I think those guys are starting to catch their wind. We do have a shark on the 89s now, red shark on the 89s, as well as the 38s. And we have not had an opposing signal unless you consider a delta ready up on the 9s to end that shark. Just curious. Little sound check here, guys. Can everybody hear the music okay? Can they hear any music? They don't hear the music. And John, for some reason, I've lost it on my VDO or my OBS, and I don't know why. I know why. I don't think it's on your screen. It is not on your screen. So
yeah, that's exactly why. Yeah, you
well,
have to have each one of those sound inputs on the.
Yeah.
If you pull it over and just add it to that space, then
Yeah.
it'll pull it up.
All right. So add, cancel, go there.
All right. Oil back on the run again.
Hey, Tom. Good to see you.
Oil back up to 78.30. Whew. This has been kind of wacky price action in NASDAQ tonight.
Yeah.
I mean, we've looked at a failed J-hook long, a failed J-hook short.
Well, that super dot right there is working out on your threes. Is that your threes?
I just switched it to twos.
Yeah,
just because there was a failed J-hook long on the twos.
That was a pretty juicy fib dot on the threes, right on the double delta.
Yeah. But I'm not just going to take the dot on that double delta. If it would have been a bright dot with a cross, maybe a headshot on that, yeah, then I'll take it. But
yeah,
just a dot on the double delta, not interested in that. Not yet. I might be wrong, but yeah. Bob, I can hear the music just fine, buddy.
Okay. For those in the chat, I've tried to turn the music on. If you can hear it, type a 1. If you can't, hit a 2. Okay, so OB can hear it. Now I'm going to go for the audio box test. And I do not see that registering on mine, John.
Just go back in your properties and select another trader window. It doesn't matter which one, anyone.
Okay.
the way the volume's coming in too is very spurty and sporadic. Just kind of spurts in a direction and then dead for a while, and then it's awkward.
It's weird right now. Yeah.
Very, very odd. There's got to be some kind of worldly news or something on the verge of happening. That's what it feels like. I looked over at Financial Juice. I don't see anything big. I don't know.
Maybe we're looking in the wrong spot. Should I be looking at CNN?
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, the only thing on the front page of CNN is
Okay. Mac VU is up to date. Thanks, Vinny.
Harmonic NQ on the
Oh,
9.
sweet. All right.
yep. We are sitting dead neutral right now.
Makes sense.
Yeah. As we sit in this little range.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
All right, so new range posted. In queue, the optimized range there is 44.
44. All right, let me just change. 44R. There we go. Sweet. Thank you for that also, Vinny. And as soon as I changed that, I saw, what is that? That's a pretty,
It's a shark with a Bollinger touch on
Yeah.
the 44s. Yep.
yeah. Oh boy. All right, let me save my workspace. Okay.
Coming back up. Was that a 4 LDT there on the
1, 2, 3, 4.
One,
A
three.
rough one on the 3s.
Yeah.
But and then it ended with that super dot.
Okay. If that's the case, then we should be expecting a good shot down. Because it's
Good
an
shot
upside
back.
down.
Enigma short on the NQ6.
No, we were talking about the dropout from the high. I think I
Gotcha.
was.
Yeah. Yeah, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4.
And I know your chart's not showing it because maybe we have different days of data, but I've got a double delta right on that fib dot.
I do not. And I only have 3 days of data on this chart.
So that's a super dot.
There it goes.
Oh,
I had an
boy.
enigma on the 6s that I did not take. And I should have
Oh,
taken.
I got it too. Now that I have the 6s up on my screen, I wasn't paying attention.
I had it. I was just paying attention. We were moderate buy on the Mac VU, but it just turned to neutral.
Actually, I didn't even hear that one. Let me make sure my audio is on. Hold on. Algo voice is checked.
Ooh.
Harmonic
Oh, my
NQ on the
goodness.
3.
It's going to be an
now that I
interesting night, man.
So now that I just updated my
Your range.
6s chart, reloaded it. Well, what do we have here? What is that guy?
Yeah.
So I just reloaded Ninja Script on that chart as I updated settings. And well, that would have been nice to know earlier.
Well, now you have it. So that Enigma short on the 6s, by the way, hit target pretty much immediately.
That ran from 936 up to 21.
Oh, yeah.
So
yeah.
this should drop out.
Great. Good news for my long. Lovely. Should have taken my $200.
I mean, we've already dumped out once, though. Just never got like a
Fifth
fast
NQ
move
on
up.
the
The
44.
only thing we've gotten are the fast
Yeah.
moves down.
I'm out of that trade. I'm sitting out now. I'm gonna watch.
Harmonic ES on
I'm
the
gonna
1.
watch. I haven't trusted any of these. It's like when we first started talking earlier, John. You said, "I'm sitting out. I don't trust this movement." I should have done the same. Weird price action.
Absolutely odd.
So is that another four-legged? 1, 2, 3, maybe.
It would have to bounce literally right now.
Yeah. There go. Vinny just mentioned it too. Let's see.
So the 100% extension of this should actually,
Of that Titanic zone on the sixes, is that what you're
Yeah.
talking about? Yeah.
let me get the F8 tool.
That Enigma on the 6s really worked well.
Yes, it did. That thing ripped. I'm gonna measure it actually.
Yeah, so if you got in there down to
Oh,
current low,
112. Yeah, 112 ticks.
yeah. So figure you slipped a little bit on the entry and the exit, you probably would have got 100 ticks on that Enigma.
Man. Okay, blue dot on the 9s.
All right, so that T1 on the shark on the higher time frames that paid off. So it came back down and reached the middle of the harmonic there. So that is, at least that is off. And that was more than 4 legs. I see it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of broke back down it.
Yeah, it kind of stuttered at the bottom.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, I took a long from down there.
Enigma short on the NQ.
Off the bottom.
Yeah. I
Okay.
played the blue dot on the 9s.
Just ran into a Enigma short on the 3s
Yep. I got it too.
at the top of the red channel.
Yep.
I did not get that. Bob, you want to switch to your charts? I'm going to reload real quick.
Sure, absolutely. It had already taken target by the time I could turn my head back.
Me too. Yeah, it ripped pretty quick.
Fantastic. 3.
Jesse, you are not sharing your screens, is that correct?
I am not.
Okay.
Let's not show off my red P&L.
I hear you.
Let me recover first.
Oh, no, that's good. I just wanted to make sure my
Oh.
VDO was correct.
I got chopped up earlier. I got to inch my way back.
All right.
Send me some good vibes, people. Good vibes. Oh, man.
I think I got the audio, the Ninja Trader audio box working, and I think I got the music working again
Sweet.
on everybody's screen scene.
Thanks, Bob.
Hey, no problem.
Okay, so Apex is 0%, so it's neutral.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Tells you no one knows what the hell's about to happen.
Yeah, exactly.
Like I said, I feel like there's a news event or something that
Yeah.
I'm
I'm
assuming you already
missing
checked.
somewhere. I've checked. Yeah, I've checked Forex Factory. There's
Okay.
no news. I've checked. All the normal news places. I would look elsewhere outside of that world.
Thank you, OB. Appreciate it.
Yo, yo, yo.
Just,
What's up, Jeff? Welcome to the
Hey,
room.
Jeff.
Let's see. What's the name of that? Forex Factory.
So for the night, I've got 3 losers and 1 winner. Now the bad news is that 2 of those 3 losers, I moved my stop and took more of a loss than I should have. So that's my fault.
And I've just got 1 loss. That's it.
I gotta sit back and see if I can't catch the rhythm of this thing and the cadence and get myself going here. But it's just hard to read tonight for whatever reason. Channels are mismatched, double deltas all over the place, weird jittery price actions, wide spreads. Kind of weird. There's something going on. Something in the water.
NQ on the 44.
Yes, it did, Vinny.
Hey.
That
Harmonic
there was
Hey,
2 of them
hey.
in a row there, Vinny, on the 3s. Did you see that? 2 4-legged dog traps, both worked out well. Right in a row. Something's in the water, though, I'm telling y'all. Somebody earlier mentioned the California fires, but I mean, haven't all the big businesses moved out of Cali by now? I don't think we have much left out here. Would that affect the financial markets? I'm not sure.
Still like the 5th largest economy on the planet.
Well, but when was that last calculated? We've lost a lot of big business out of my state
Pip.NQ
recently.
on the
So
44.
I don't know. I don't know if I believe that anymore. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm an idiot.
So you have Chinese news coming out, but it's not like Red Star News or anything like that.
Yeah, I saw that red
So you
dot.
have
Hey,
So you have
take a
trade
look at
balance, you have USD denominated trade balance. Yeah, it's a bank holiday in Japan.
So Chinese red or trade balance is not till 2100 tonight, though.
Yeah, it shows tentative on Forex Factory.
Gotcha.
So here comes the dump out.
24% short on Apex, 21% now.
Yeah, I've got to find a way to put this somewhere.
Coming up
other
to a
than-
50 cent on the range, on the tide. I'm sorry, on the wave.
Pip.ES
Oh
on the
yeah,
1.
Vinny mentioned the cheat sheet. Do you guys have the cheat sheet yet?
I already dropped it in.
Harmonic
Oh,
NQ on
sweet.
the 9.
Well, I'm not sure what cheat sheet he's referring to. I just referred
No,
to.
no. He sent it to me. Hold on, let me.
He sent it. It's also in the Discord.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was in the Discord main chat, as well as he sent it to us personally.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, that cheat sheet is fire.
How did he
man.
send
We
it to
gotta-
us? Did he send it tonight?
No, he sent it in a direct message. Friday.
I didn't get it.
Yeah, we're gonna show it right now, Vin. Yeah, that thing is awesome.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 44.
Jeez, it's dropping out here. Okay, we just blew through whatever PRZ that or harmonic was. That green harmonic on the 9s. I'm missing the label. I don't know what it was, but we blew right through the back of that bad boy.
Lower bands touch NQ on the
Look forward to having
44.
you, Mark.
Let me see. Where's my messages here? Let me see. Vinny sent me the cheat sheet. How can I save this? Hold on. How the hell do you? Okay. Open in browser.
Here, I'll pull it up on mine.
Right click, save.
I guess I wasn't in the thread. I didn't see that.
It's in a he sent it in a DM to
Cheat sheet. I got it saved. Let me
Oh.
pull it up.
On Discord?
yeah. Yes, sir. I've got it. Hold
All
on.
right.
I've got it too. Hold on. That thing is pretty slick.
All right, Bob, if you want to flip over to my charts real quick.
Gladly.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 44. Pip.NQ on the 3.
Let me get back live on the stream. Yeah, so you can see it. It's all of the strategies that are out there for us. So the double deltas. So this is the, we've seen those. PRZ crosses. J hooks. So the J hook plus anything. We can go back up here. Super AOs, and that's an alpha omega with a ready DD. So we'd play those as a reversal. Diamond dots. So it's a harmonic plus a
Oh yeah.
Fabella dot. Then you have the 3 wise men play. So it takes the Flowmaster crosses plus the Mac VU. Obviously, that 3 wise men play, though, the one caveat to that is if it's the 3 crosses at the top of the crown, we're going down. If they're in the middle of the valley, continue the rally, I think was the change to that saying on Friday's stream. Supermoons, which that's an enigma with a ready DD. Headshot, I think you guys all know what a headshot is now, so it's a dot plus a white cross. Ignition bar, it's the 3rd bar after a pivot turn. We want to see that 3rd bar, very minimal wick plus, full completion on that bar on the 89 chart. HMD, which is obviously a dot inside of a harmonic. Double dots, so 2 dots, same color. Take those in the direction of the color of the dot. 2-finger salutes. I don't think we've ever actually highlighted a 2-finger salute on the stream.
I have
Believe
a
it or
couple of
not.
times.
Maybe you have, yeah. So those pop up on the higher time frame charts. Double cross, double moves. Actually, I can show one of those off right here. Double cross, double move. This is in crude tonight. Look at this nice little double cross. DCDM and takes off, goes straight to the gold line target. Didn't really get the bounce off of the gold line, so you couldn't play that, but it's a great little trade. DCDM, so that's a cluster. So cluster from Flowmaster crosses. Top of the zone. Let's see. And a DCR, so a double cross. So that would be a double cross at the top of the zone. So had this not been on this impulse leg up, had this have been somewhere else, look at that. This is on the 2s and on crude. A juiced up DCDM, look at that. Ready up. So a double delta with a DCDM. Pretty sweet. I'm trying to see if I've got any other. Don't have it. Anyway. This is something I want to actually look at. And I'm sitting here, the triple ready ups on crude. Those could be some money makers potentially. I like playing oil clearly, so I just haven't looked at it on the 2s there in quite some time. So there you go.
Awesome cheat sheet.
Oh, the video version coolness. Where's the video version of that? Maybe. Let me go find it.
Pip.NQ on the 3.
That's a thumbnail. Bob, you're gonna have to show a video version of it. I don't have.
What's that?
Vinny was asking if we could show the video version of it. I don't.
Of video version of
The cheat sheet.
The cheat sheet.
Okay, where do I find it?